Throughout 2021, NFTs have been a societal manifestation, with celebrities delving in the space and resulting in hijinks, scams, and legal battles. However, with some developers generating millions from NFTs, it's natural why you'd want to try your hand at it or play around with the technology to have a better understanding of it. So guys, today we'll go through how to create a free NFT with no money. But first, let's go over some of the fundamentals of what an NFT is and the considerations you'll need to make before selling one. Let's dig in. There's no need to feel bad if you've come here with little knowledge of what NFTs are. Hey, you should sell that image of your pet as an NFT, a friend would have said. However, it's generally advisable to have some notion about what you're doing before you go through the process of developing and selling one. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are digital tokens that are kept on the blockchain. Unlike cryptocurrencies, in which each coin is identical, there's no reason to favor one Bitcoin over another, each NFT is one of a kind and can be sold to show ownership of a digital file, but bear in mind that your first NFT should most likely be an image, video, or audio clip. If you're not sure what you want to sell as an NFT yet, limits like these can help you narrow down your options. The majority of NFTs are sold on the Ethereum blockchain, and each transaction on the Ethereum blockchain incurs fees that are paid to the miners. These costs are referred to as gas, and the amount of gas required for a transaction can vary greatly. Almost everything you do on the blockchain costs gas, from minting an NFT to transferring it to someone else to bidding on one. There's also the issue of NFTs' impact on the environment. The Ethereum blockchain, which employs an energy-intensive proof-of-work technology, powers the majority of popular NFT exchanges. While it's debatable if selling NFTs individually has an impact on the blockchain's overall energy use, if your NFTs are built on Ethereum, you're using a technology with a significant carbon footprint. So, now let's walk through the entire procedure. So, to begin, you should go to Mintable, which can be found at mintable.app, and here you can buy, sell, or make NFTs, which is exactly what we want to do. Mintable is a very popular website these days, and with all these NFT players, it's incredible how quickly things are moving. It's going to be huge, and it's going to be the cornerstone of all artifacts and creativity. So, in a nutshell, this is digital art, and you own a line of code that you can carry around with you and own. Users can mint any information as an ERC-721 token on the Ethereum blockchain using the user-friendly and powerful UI. Furthermore, anyone may effortlessly manage their digital assets while viewing all of the various tokens available. Because reducing friction is a top design priority, all functionalities are available without the need of any native mintable currency. There is no such thing as an ICO or a token, and there will never be. As you can see, it's largely based on Ethereum today, and also you can shift to US dollars if you want, but Ethereum has the upper hand. So in order to get this going, all you have to do is click the Sign Up button. It's a piece of cake. Next, simply you have to input your username, email address, and confirm your email address, followed by a password, and then click the Create Account button. Just make sure you input a legitimate email address since they'll send you an activation code that you'll need to provide. And now they're saying MetaMask isn't discovered, which you'll need for this and for all the NFT sites. It's also compatible with OpenSea and rarible.com. So basically, MetaMask is a need for all of these folks. For those who are unfamiliar, MetaMask is a cryptocurrency wallet and a gateway to blockchain applications and a global community of developers and designers dedicated to using blockchain technology to make the world a better place. Their objective is to democratize access to the decentralized web and, as a result, to transform the internet and global economy into a place where individuals are empowered through interactions based on permission, privacy, and free association. It is a great app which is trusted by over 21 million people all over the world. All you have to do is click the Download Now button, and you'll be able to install it for your browser, and also if you wish you can add it to Firefox, Google Chrome, or iOS and Android smartphones right away. It's also extremely secure, so you can rest certain that all of your personal information, cryptocurrency, and NFTs are safe with them, and that you won't have to worry about anything. They also have apps in the App Store, but they still need to improve them. As a result, It's actually quite simple. Simply download the wallet and keep your seed phrases safe. These are similar to your login information and should be kept safe because if you're ever locked out of your wallet or for some reason can't get in, you will always have access if you have these seed phrases. So keep them safe and don't put them anywhere online or on anything connected to the computer because this MetaMask wallet will serve as your profile. This is the method by which you will gain access to applications. However, once you've created an account and linked it to this mintable.app website, we'll be able to mint some NFTs for us by just clicking the Mint and Item button. After this, a tab opens asking, does your thing already exist? Is the object alive on the blockchain or is it a fresh item you wish to make? So next, as we are newbies, we will be creating an account. When you click on that, you'll discover that there are two options, Advanced and Easy. We'll go with the easiest option as this involves some transactions which we simply want to do, so click on Create a New Item. Now you'll see, what kind of thing are you making? They have provided some options like art, music, video, collectibles, sports, and utility. You can choose any of them. Let's say art, for example. You can choose from a variety of subcategories. There is a drop-down menu of categories, for example. Let's click on Visual Arts. Now all you have to do is type in the listing title. So for this example, let's make something about chirps or something that doesn't matter, and you probably already know what you're going to do with this subtitle, which will be something that comes in your head. Anyway, here we don't need to be overly specific. After this, all you have to do is upload files. You will upload a specific image, so here chirps, and they will code it for you and create an NFT from it. Cool, right? You just have to create an NFT and sell it on the market to make some money. So, well, in this situation, just proffer a picture of a chirp and then provide a brief description in the area below. You're free to write whatever you want, whatever you believe is appropriate, and then we will have the pricing and type. Guys, this is critical right now. Here you have three choices: fixed price, an auction, and an auction with a buy now. So basically, this is a fixed price where you can deposit any amount of Ethereum. This type allows you to enter, for example, whatever amount you believe it is worth, and it will be on sale for that amount only. It will not go up or down. It is a fixed price, as the name implies. The auction type comes next. You only need to provide a beginning bid price. So, for example, you can set it to 0.0 and then choose an auction length of 12 hours, 24 hours, 2 days, 3 days, or 7 days. It's best to hold an auction for 3 or 7 days so that people have more time to observe it and place bets. It can go incredibly high or really low, so there's some risk involved. At last, we have an auction with buy now. Now, this operates in the same way as an auction. It's comparable to an auction, but you may enter in your purchase now. So if someone comes along and finds that your pricing is acceptable to him, he can buy it right now if he provides that price, and that's all there is to it, guys. All you have to do now is click on List This Item. So, guys, this is it. As you can see, it's extremely simple. All you have to do is invest some of your own free time and generate sales like everyone else. I hope you learned something from today's video, and that you will take some of your precious time and get out to invest in some NFTs. It's extremely profitable and is the future of making money online. I hope you loved it, and do keep in mind that this is not financial advice, and we do not recommend buying or selling tokens. Do consider this for educational purposes, and do consider taking time to research. I'll see you later.